In between the beat rounds, we have recovery rounds. And when you first get started with BEATBoXX, it can be really hard work. So you might want to just rest during those recovery rounds, and they last for a minute, so you've got a minute rest. As you get fitter, you can start to incorporate exercises using the beat rounds with exercise rounds, so you're getting the technical skill development plus the physical skill. Let's have a look at the kind of exercises you can do in the recovery round. So in the recovery rounds, you can go as light or as heavy as you like.